Alright guys, this is RGC Suffocated again, and I realized I just posted a video, but I just want to give a little explanation for the weird and obnoxious sounds coming from the background in my mic while I'm gaming. So as you can see above me, there's a ceiling fan going apeshit, always on high, because normally it's hot. Mostly it's just because I smoke in here and it keeps the smoke out of my face and lingering all in front of my face while I'm trying to see, and I'm already having trouble because people are freaking flashbanging me all the time, and it really sucks. Also, oh yeah, here's the chair that I caught on fire today, or last night, or whatever. My cigarette fell out of the ashtray. The fan blew it out and lit my chair on fire while I was sitting in it. It was rather, it really sucked. Also, I have this lame, like Bluetooth wireless mic, and I always have it on me, and I go and walk around and do stuff, and it gets really fuzzy sometimes. And sometimes it sounds like I'm conducting a freaking train just because I walk to the kitchen, which from my chair is right there. So I'll like walk to my kitchen and I'll be like somebody be doing dishes or something, or throwing pots and pans on the floor because they're pissed. I don't know what they do in the kitchen. My attention span, doesn't leave the TV most times. Also, I got the two dogs. Explains the dog noises. The Beagle and the Yorkie. I hate them both. No, I don't always have dogs on Xbox, on Call of Duty. They're most of the time these two assholes. But, yeah. That's my explanation for the stupid sounds coming from the background of my mic. Also, I'm walking around with my laptop and shit because I don't actually have a camera. I feel badass. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to take a nap now. So, bye everybody.